Welcome to Compare to Win. The Best Tyler Perry Show is probably one of the most talked about and influential productions in modern television, captivating audiences with its unique blend of drama, comedy, and heartfelt storytelling that consistently resonates across diverse demographics and continues to set a high bar for entertainment. Number 5. Rubies Microphone Novelty Costume Accessory. Get ready to command the stage with this iconic microphone accessory. It's the perfect prop to add some flair to any performance or party. Featuring a dazzling glitter finish and a sturdy 9-inch handle, this prop is designed to impress. It's lightweight and easy to hold, making it ideal for extended use. Don't limit the fun to just Halloween. This accessory is perfect for themed parties, music festivals, cosplay events, or any time you want to inject some excitement into your day. From Rubies, the trusted name in costumes and accessories, comes this fun and imaginative prop. We aim to inspire creativity and make every occasion a celebration. Designed for everyone, this accessory is unisex and one size fits most. It's the perfect addition to complete your costume or add a touch of playful drama. Crafted from durable 100% polyester, this prop is built to last through countless events. Its quality construction ensures it will be a favorite for years to come. What we like? This novelty microphone is perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to your costume. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry all night. If you're looking to complete a rock star or pop star look for Halloween or a themed party, this is the accessory for you. What people say. This microphone was the perfect prop for my Selena Halloween costume. The glitter stayed on the microphone and it wasn't messy. I expected it to be a one-time use but held together perfectly, and so I'm saving it for future costumes. I liked that it was very light and easy to hold on to. This is being used as a prop in a team play. It's perfect for the sparkly character. It looks great in the spotlights. The glitter is staying on the mic just fine. I don't see any glitter from it when I clean the stage each night. Very pleased with this. This microphone is exactly what I needed. I teach English online to foreign students and they love it when I sing. They get a kick out of me and my glitter microphone. One of my students said she wanted one, too. The only thing that could beat this microphone is a real one, and even that wouldn't have the sparkle appeal. Well done. Number 4. Tyler Glamorous Wash Diva 907G. Experience the luxurious scent of Diva. This glamorous wash is designed to elevate your everyday laundry routine. Unleash the captivating aroma of our signature Diva fragrance. It's a scent that truly embodies elegance and sophistication. Enjoy a rich, creamy lather that cleanses beautifully. The exquisite fragrance lingers, leaving your fabric smelling divine. Perfect for those who appreciate the finer things. Elevate your home with the opulent scent of Diva. Discover the ultimate in fabric care and fragrance. This liquid wash offers an unparalleled sensory experience. What we like? Experience a truly indulgent laundry day with this premium detergent. It leaves your clothes smelling divine and feeling soft. If you appreciate a sophisticated floral aroma and want your garments to feel pampered, this is the perfect choice for your delicates. What people say. The fragrance is bold, floral, and slightly sweet with a warm, almost perfume-like finish. It really makes your clothes smell like you just walked out of a boutique. It lingers for days without fading too quickly, which is one of my favorite things about it. It's also gentle on fabrics and works well for both regular laundry and more delicate items. Number 3. Lego Ideas Ship in a Bottle 92177. Embark on a creative journey with this intricate model. It's a perfect display piece for any enthusiast. Discover the detailed ship, complete with a captain's quarters, cannons, and sails. It even includes a brick-built bottle with a wax seal. This set comes with a display stand featuring a nameplate and a compass. It's designed to be showcased with pride. With 962 pieces, this advanced building set offers a rewarding challenge for teens and adults alike. You can combine this model with other LEGO sets for even more creative building possibilities. Let your imagination soar. Learn about the inspiration behind this unique set through the included booklet, featuring insights from its fan creator and LEGO designers. What we like? Embark on a rewarding building journey with this detailed ship in a bottle set. It's designed to be a stunning display piece once completed. If you're an adult Lego enthusiast or a fan of maritime history looking for a sophisticated and engaging building project, this set is ideal. What people say. The show is a great comedy that will keep you laughing. The acting is superb and the storyline is engaging. It's a must-watch for fans of Tyler Perry's work. Number 2. Tyler Gallon High Maintenance Laundry Detergent. Experience the ultimate clean with our powerful laundry detergent. It's specially formulated to tackle tough stains and leave your clothes smelling amazing. Don't let stains ruin your favorite clothes. This detergent penetrates deep to lift even the most stubborn marks, restoring your garments to their former glory. Enjoy a delightful, long-lasting fragrance that keeps your laundry smelling fresh for days. It's the perfect way to keep your clothes feeling and smelling their best. While it's tough on dirt, it's gentle on fabrics. You can trust it to clean effectively without causing damage or wear to your clothes. With a large 128-ounce size, you'll have plenty of detergent for all your laundry needs. It's an economical choice that provides exceptional cleaning power. Make laundry day a breeze with this high-performance detergent. It's designed to simplify your routine while delivering superior results every time. What we like. Tackle your biggest laundry loads with this industrial-sized detergent. It offers exceptional cleaning power for all your fabrics. If you have a large family or frequently deal with tough stains and need a reliable, high-volume solution, this gallon-sized detergent is a practical choice. What people say. It doesn't leave any marks on clothes from not dissolving or being diluted enough, and it doesn't irritate my skin. I have extremely sensitive skin. It actually does get stains out quite well, and I didn't think that it would. The aroma is perfection. Not overpowering, but definitely can smell its beautiful scent. I wash my clothes and bed sheets with it. When I open my closet, I get a whiff of its delightful smell. Number 1. Funny Sarcastic Graphic Novelty T-shirt. Did my opinion offend you? Perhaps you should consider what I hold back from saying. This shirt is a humorous way to express that sentiment. We all have thoughts we don't share. This tee is for those moments when you wish people knew what you were thinking, but you're keeping it inside. This is more than just a t-shirt, it's a statement piece. It's designed for those who appreciate a good sarcastic joke and a bit of dark humor. Specifically designed for men, this graphic tee offers a comfortable fit and a bold design. It's perfect for casual wear and sparking conversations. Add a touch of novelty and fun to your wardrobe. This shirt is a great conversation starter and a unique addition for anyone with a witty sense of humor. Sometimes, the best way to communicate is through a t-shirt. Let this one do the talking for you and express your inner thoughts with a smile. What we like. Make a bold statement with this witty and sarcastic graphic tee. It's designed to be a fun and attention-grabbing piece. If you enjoy expressing your sense of humor through your clothing and don't mind a bit of playful banter, this shirt is perfect for casual wear. What people say. Good material. Lots of compliments. Vivid colors. Made very well of good material. It should hold up well. He likes it a lot and wears it often. It has washed and dried well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.